Hey guys, Timo the Hobo here. Well, we are right now on our way back to Switzerland. We've done already, what, 1,000 kilometers so far? Yeah, close to Sevilla and close to Valencia. Yeah, I'm also a bit tired. But yeah, this time I told you I will show you my everyday life in Gran Canaria. So I think let's go back to Gran Canaria. Good morning! So today I have to get some work done. Unfortunately, we didn't have enough sun, only 7%. The solution: let's go to the Centro Comercial where we can steal some energy and I can also go to the toilet. Let's pack everything. Cable and very important, mascarilla. The waves are not looking too bad. Let's hope when the tide drops the waves are getting a bit better and cleaner and maybe we can go surfing a bit. Stupidest ground to skate. Time to put the mask on. There is already an idiot working here. How's the internet?
It's okay.
Yes.
My battery.
Ooh, no more battery. Over there we didn't have any electricity, so we're at the good old Ronald McDonald's. Let's get some breakfast. First time eating a croissant in McDonald's. Bit too crunchy, this croissant. Idiot me forgot all the cables, at least the adapters. So we try something. Getting from the electricity to his laptop, getting to my cable into my laptop. Yes, it works. So we finished working. Let's check if there are some good waves. Whoopa! Hopefully the waves are a bit better than yesterday. Otherwise we still go in because we had 10 flat days and there are coming more flat days. So yeah, waves are a bit better than yesterday. Let's go surfing.
What is going on here?
Well, I didn't find this thing. Pulled a lot of water. Have to remove it all. Or just buy a Paisel Ghost. Maybe.
Or maybe Paisel wants to sponsor this video and give you one for free.
Wouldn't say no to that. Niki, what day is today?
Monday.
No, today is the day for a new surfboard. Woohoo! About it, we're filming all the time.
Digga, what was about getting paid?
So, of course. You don't get paid. Is it the rainbow model or the Jobby Cheddar? Let's throw a coin. The Jobby Cheddar is for the fat lady here, and the rainbow model is for the 2011. Yeah, okay. Nervous?
Wait. 2 out of 3 or just 1?
One, just one.
Was jetzt?
What was
rainbow.
that? Rainbow model, it is!
Welche?
Am I happy with it?
2 out of 3.
Yeah, 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. Okay, rainbow model 1.
He's not happy with it.
Rainbow model?
Bro, das war's doch schon. Digga, 2 out of 3.
It is the rainbow model.
Maybe you should put the fins in and everything. This guy recommended to you.
Yeah, maybe I should. LSD. Should be something trippy on here. Like me.
Passt nicht zu dem Brett, finde ich.
Nee.
Dem hier ist richtig.
No way.
Decisions.
How beautiful. It's perfect color for me. Pretty your child. I'm just thinking about, I will ride this board and these fins for a long time. So why not? Those. Jumpy cheddar! New fins! Perfect fins! Perfect board!
So what are
Today
we
is a good day.
Today is a good day. What are we gonna eat?
Let's go back to make some burgers. Whoop. Very dirty dishes, eh? Next time no risotto.
No risotto, Alter, or the next time einfach
Washing the dishes
washing
right away.
immediately.
No, that's not possible.
Not possible.
At least a bit of healthy stuff, eh?
A little bit.
Oh, there we go. Nice. Today is laundry day.
Weiß aus auf dem scheiß Video.
You don't look white, you are white.
Ja, so wie du, Alter.
Let's get that shit done. Let's just get my dirty laundry. What a mess Niki made again. Ay ay ay. Apparently there is some problems with the paying machine and now we have to wait for someone to come here and fix it. After 1 hour of waiting, someone came and fixed the problem, and she gave us this useful bag. I think perfect bag for 2 wetsuits.
Let's go, ja. Du musst dich einmal rumdrehen. Also wir können ihn theoretisch so hinlegen, wie sie sich halten. So, jetzt kannst du nach vorn laufen. Aber er zieht schon, ne?
This was my everyday life in Gran Canaria. Next time I will show you how we tried skimboarding by day, by night and on the streets, and also our last day in Gran Canaria before we went on to Fuerteventura. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the notify button, and if you like the video also the like button, and I see you next week. Bye guys!
Also was soll ich jetzt genau machen? Polarfotos. Deine Spezialität.
Ja, exakt.